You've probably seen cinematic visuals on LinkedIn like tech pipelines, glowing networks, and futuristic business themes. Most people assume that they are made in Midjourney or some expensive tools. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make same kind of images for free using n8n Mistral and Together AI API key. This workflow turns creative ideas into finished visuals automatically. No subscriptions, no manual prompting, just one clean automation that you can use for your clients. And this is how it works. We have a form that we can go and submit our image concept that we want to create. Then Mistral enhances it and creates prompts. Then on the second part of the form, we are seeing 5 suggestions of the same image prompt that we have to choose from the enhanced ones. We are choosing one from these 5. And it straight away goes and creates the image prompt for Together AI API. And we are using Flux Schnell free model here, which is for free, and creating the image, and it's straight away returning us the image to download on our form ending. Let's see how it works. We are opening our form, and for image concept, we're gonna say automation pipeline growing through a futuristic office environment. For art style, we're gonna say isometric text illustration. For platform, let's say LinkedIn feed. For mood, we're gonna say innovative. And for brand color accent, this is usually my brand color accent, which is orange. I'm gonna use the same one. If you leave it blank, it's just gonna choose any color. I'm gonna choose my color. And when we submit the form, we can see on the back end, it is enhancing the prompts now using the Mistral medium model. And now it sends 5 different prompts on our form. And let's go to the form again, and we can see 5 different variations of our image. A glowing automation pipeline waves, elevated isometric view gloss wall office, semi-transparent high-tech wireframe, sleek corporate lobby. Let's just choose the first one and click generate. And it goes straight away now with this enhanced styling. It creates the image prompt, sends it to Together API, and now on the form, we're gonna get straight away our file that we can download and open it. And this is our image created by Flux Schnell model. It is pretty good. It is square for LinkedIn. Let's now create our next one. Let's generate our second image. So we're gonna use this prompt that we're gonna want a team of creative professionals using AI tools in a bright collaborative space. For options, we're gonna choose Pixar 3D stylized. For platform, let's choose Instagram story this time. For mood friendly, and we're gonna leave the color accent empty. And let's see, it is gonna enhance the prompt now and give us the 5 variations of this image. And we can see our concepts: a diverse team of stylized 3D professionals high-fiving, dynamic over-the-shoulder shot, a stylized creator dragging 3D AI spark on toolbar, glass dome, top-down, isometric, and etc. Let's see 3D professionals high-fiving. Let's generate this. It will go now enhance this prompt to make it a real good image generation prompt, and it's straight away gonna return us the image that we can download directly on our phone or our PC. We've got our image. Let's save it. And this is the image, 3D animated characters, all of the tools, AI and etc. And it is a vertical format image for Instagram story, which is pretty good, and it is working really quick. The quality of the images, it's not like Midjourney or some of the paid ones, but we cannot expect the free models to generate this kind of complex images or really good text, for example. But this is pretty much enough in order to create really nice and good images that we can use in different cases. You can customize your prompts. Let's see one more example. Again, we're gonna submit our form for image concept. This time we're gonna use this prompt: business ladder overlooking a digital city where data flows as glowing rivers of light. Art style, we're gonna use cyberpunk. Let's find cyberpunk business clean. Platform size, let's choose YouTube thumbnail. And mood, let's choose ambitious. And for color accent, let's leave it blank again. Submit the form. And now in the backend, you can see it is enhancing and generating 5 variations of this prompt again. We have our variations. Let's see them. A sleek cyberpunk CEO stands atop of a skyscraper, commanding glowing data rivers, pulse time analytics, holographic leader in a high-tech suite, translucent leader, silhouette overlays, luminous city grid, technical schematic unfolds, colossal wireframe. Let's choose the first one with the CEO, generate it, and we've got our image, and it is a YouTube thumbnail size as SEO on the top of a skyscraper, and down we can see rivers of data flowing. It more looks like a roads filled with cars, but it's a good image. And let's try our last example to be something with text. Let's say glowing, this one. I'm gonna copy this prompt. A glowing gears forming a rocket that launches into the sky made of coat. And let's say overlay text to be last generation, or overlay text, let's say or AI, if it's gonna be able to generate it. For art style, let's see, choose for art style, let's choose some magical business metaphor. Platform size, I'm gonna use Twitter, no, I'm gonna use LinkedIn feed. For mood, I'm gonna use energetic, and for brand accent, I'm gonna use my color as well. F6B00, and let's submit. Usually when we got our 5 different suggestions of our prompts, the first one are the closest one to our original prompt, and the rest are a bit different, using different image styles. Glowing golden gears morph into sleek rocket, blasting off a sky woven form, flowing cold streams with Muro igniting as the exhaust trail. A translucent glass morphism rocket, built interlocking gears, lift off from a circuit board, runs that spells, hand-drawn technical blueprint, animates, 8-bit gears, pixelate into retrofuturistic. This 8-bit gears, that source of a grid failing binary stars with Muro rendering the vintage arcade font. This is really interesting. Let's see it. 8-bit gears. It's gonna be able to create this pixelized styling. And let's see our image now. At least we have Muro, but we can see some blurred elements here. We can see the stars and all of the grid and etc. That's pretty good image. And these are all the examples of this workflow, what you can do with it. So you can generate visuals for LinkedIn, Notion, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, and etc. Create branded assets for client offers and case studies. As I said, they are not as good as the paid models, but still with really good prompting and the system prompts that I am using in the agents, you can create pretty crazy good visuals. Especially on macro shots, they are really good. Building content visuals for portfolio social campaigns, connect to Notion or Google Drive for automatic saving. And the moment I'm just the image to the form, so I can download it to my PC or my phone. If you want, you can make it straight away to connect and them to Google Drive, or to upload them to Cloudinary, for example. The key advantage of this is free to run, no subscriptions or no paid tools. The only thing here is that in order to get the API key of Together AI now, it wasn't like this before, but now they want first you have to top up $5 only one time, and you can spend it however you want. And when you got your Together AI API key, after that you can use this model for free as much as you want. There are some limitations for generations in a minute, but that's it. And the advantage is that it combines Mistral's creative intelligence with Together AI API's rendering. Mistral is really good and it's free to use as well. Produces consistent premium quality visuals for professional use. As I said, these, as you can see, these are pretty good, but it's not as good as the paid models, for example, for text generation or some specific things that you will be able to generate, for example, with Nano Banana, obviously. And the next steps, watch the setup breakdown video to see the full workflow building if you want inside n8n. I'm gonna go step by step through all of the nodes so you can build it by yourself, and I'm gonna show how to get your credentials from each platform. If you want, you can download the free template, link in the description, and you can try in the school community our 7-day AI challenge or AI automation full path, which is completely for free, link in the description. And that's it. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.